Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Last week we talked about logo, and this week we're going to talk about Shopify store optimization. Don't go away if you're not a Shopify user. I believe this video's recommendation will still give you some inspiration, because after all, e-commerce is e-commerce. So let's cut it short and dive in the content right away.
Number 1. Rewind. Rewind is all about keeping your data safe. It's a top-rated backup app in the Shopify App Store. Shopify backs up all of its data, but you can't access it. This is why it's crucial to have a backup app in case you make a mistake on your website. Number 2. Lucky Orange. With Lucky Orange, you can see your Shopify store through the eyes of people on your website. Watch their every click, move, and scroll in real time, or watch recordings of all visits later. Whether it's through session recordings, dynamic heat maps, or from analytics, you can find out why people is or is not converting. Analyze and improve your store like a pro. Number 3. Photo resize. Photo resize is developed by Pixig. It can automatically resize all your product photos in the same size, which can make your store look more professional and also make the image loading time shorter. Pixig also has 3 other apps, and they all can turn your amateur product photos into high-quality, professional-looking ones. Number 4. Pricing. With Pricing's dynamic pricing engine, you can set the price in a more flexible way. It allows you to track and monitor market prices and stock availability data, and adjust your store prices automatically according to certain rules you can set.
Speaking of which, we're going to talk about pricing next week. So if you're looking for more pricing strategies or tricks, remember to come back next Tuesday.
Number 5. Zendesk. The Shopify app for Zendesk unites all your business and customer data by displaying critical Shopify information to your agents while they serve customers without leaving Zendesk. Easily navigate to additional data in Shopify by clicking the order ID. Number 6. Gorgias. Gorgias is the hottest customer support help desk for Shopify merchants. It allows store owners to centralize all their support tickets from social media, email, or even live chat. With its deep Shopify integration, it allows agents to perform key actions like checking order status or refunding orders without leaving their help desk.
By the way, I really like its name, Gorgias. Perfectly used the trick we talked about in the video of how to name your business. It made a subtle twist in the common word gorgeous, which makes it very delightful just pronouncing it. If you also want to get your business a good name, feel free to check our previous video here.
Number 7. Loox. With Loox, you can create automatic emails, asking customers for reviews and offer a discount once they review. It collects social proof that people trust with photo reviews. When people see photos from happy customers, they will be more likely to buy from your store. Loox allows you to import products reviews from any source, send automatic email review requests, customize your email timing, and create customer review pages. If you just started running your store and don't have many customers, you can also reach out to your friends or families to give your hand.
The final recommendation today is about suppliers. And of course, I'm going to recommend our own platform, CJ Dropshipping. There are tons of other supply platforms out there. So what you can do is to do some research and choose the one suits you the most. However, if you want to know more about CJ, feel free to click here and go to our main channel. Before I wrap it up, there's still a little tip I want to share. Don't use too many apps on your Shopify store, because that is going to slow down the loading time, and we all know how crucial it is to convert traffic with smooth operation. I'm Bella from City Dropshipping. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you do like it, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.